Starting fresh with finances can feel like standing at the base of a mountain, looking up at the peak. It's daunting, but with the right steps, you can make it to the top. Let's break it down into manageable pieces. First, let's talk about budgeting. Imagine you're planning a road trip. You wouldn't just hop in the car and drive without a map, right? A budget is your financial roadmap. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. Use an app or a simple spreadsheet. You'll be surprised at where your money goes. I once discovered I was spending $100 a month on coffee. That's a vacation fund waiting to happen. Next, let's tackle debt. If you're like most people, you probably have some. The snowball method is a great way to handle it. List your debts from smallest to largest. Focus on paying off the smallest first while making minimum payments on the others. Once that little debt is gone, take the money you were using to pay it off and apply it to the next one. It's like a financial game, and trust me, watching those debts disappear feels amazing. Now, let's shift gears to saving. Start with an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. I know, it sounds like a lot, but even starting with $500 can give you a cushion. I remember when my car broke down unexpectedly. Having that emergency fund saved me from panic. It's like having a financial superhero ready to swoop in when life throws a curveball. Investing is another key piece of the puzzle. You don't need to be a Wall Street wizard to get started. Consider opening a retirement account like a 401k or an IRA. If your employer offers a match, that's free money. I once missed out on a company match because I didn't sign up in time. Lesson learned. Start small, even if it's just 1% of your paycheck. Increase it gradually as you get comfortable. And let's not forget about financial education. Read books, listen to podcasts, or watch videos. I found a podcast that breaks down complex topics into bite-sized pieces. It's like having a financial coach in my pocket. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better decisions you can make. Finally, set financial goals. They can be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, like buying a house. Write them down and keep them visible. I created a vision board with images of my goals. Every time I see it, I'm reminded of what I'm working towards. It keeps me motivated and focused. Starting fresh with finances isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Celebrate small wins along the way. Whether it's paying off a debt or hitting a savings milestone, every step counts. Remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. Embrace the process, and before you know it, you'll be standing at the top of that mountain, looking down at how far you've come.